Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool exterior cart that you can use to your garden or your yard to be able to help you move things around. You could even move groceries in this thing. It did come really nicely put together in a very tight, compact box, but all the parts are there, and this thing looks to be super easy to put together because most of it is going to be held together with these cotter pins, which is going to make it very versatile to pull off the sides. I've gone ahead and done the first step, which is just to attach this axle piece onto where the handle is going to go. It's going to be a spring-loaded handle, but they've already provided this nice solid mesh base, which I like, and all the screws are already in place, which is also fantastic, so you know where everything goes. Now it's just a matter of go ahead and lining these up, getting the parts slipped together. I'm going to go ahead and put this front and back axle on, and then we'll show you how we're going to put the tires on. So got the axles on there, super easy, loving that. The tires themselves are 10-inch tires. These are pneumatic, aired up tires, which is great. Everything goes on here really easily because everything is already all put into place, which I'm liking. So these simply slide over here, and you're going to see on the outside edge here, they give you enough room for one of these little washers. And then these simply go on with cotter pins that are just going to kind of slide into here like this. And then you're going to bend part of it here just to hold that in place. That will hold that on there. This cart could not go together easier. This is just amazing. So simply line these up on the sides like this. We can kind of come in here close, I'll show you. These pins just slide right in. And this is a really neat design because this actually allows these panels to lock in place like that, to fold completely down like that, including this front one. It can just unhook from there. It folds down completely. So as you're out pulling around, you actually can have a complete flat load surface, which is great. When you're wanting to actually maximize that load capacity, you can actually just pull this out and hook this over here. You can't see on that side over there, but hook that over there, pull this one up here, and get this hooked up over here. I'm going to go and get the back one put on here too. But I mean, that's going to provide a really nice load area. And the fact that these just clip on here with these pins, I mean, could not go together easier. All right, so this thing went together really well. Again, the handle only took one screw, and it's a spring-loaded handle. So as you're out pulling this around, you let go of it, it's gonna bring it back up, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and have my kids hop in here. This thing can hold 900 pounds. So this actually is gonna hold quite a bit of weight. These sloped designed walls actually allow you to hold more as well. So if you're gonna be hauling mulch and things like that, that would be great. But I mean, these pneumatic tires, they're great. They're easily going to go across all kinds of terrain. If you're going to be going out to maybe a game or something like that, a sports game, things like that, you can easily haul a lot of furniture, things like that in this as well. Now go ahead and hop out. I want to kind of show you another way that you can use this. So if you're going to be hauling things maybe to a garden or anything like that, you can easily detach these sides like this, and this will then drop this back down. You then can take advantage of letting things hang out the back side of this. But again, loving the fact that it has the versatility to even drop all the sides. You can simply pull these out. All the sides can drop down. You got all the areas drop down, and now you actually have the ability to lay things. If you're going to haul things around, you know, flat across the entire thing, maybe you got a bunch of boards that you wanted to haul someplace, and can easily move that around because of how this works. Push that around. That's going to be great functionality. It also allows, if you got mulch or rock or whatever you got on top there, you can easily get to scooping it off the sides without having to worry about the sides impeding. And those can completely be removed. So a very versatile cart, great storage capacity, and a great weight limit. Thank you guys again for sending it.